Okay, boys and girls, today we're gonna learn how to do addition and subtraction using expanded form. So here's the first problem we're gonna do. Lake City had 237 girls sign up on Friday to play softball. On Saturday, 126 more girls signed up. How many girls signed up for softball on those 2 days? Let's think. If 237 girls signed up to play on Friday, and then 126 more girls signed up, I know I need to add those two numbers together. So let's write 237 plus 126. Now before we solve that, let's come up with our answer sentence. And remember, we just get our sentence from words in the story. So I'm just going to do blank girls signed up to play softball. And we'll come back in and fill in the answer after we solve it. Okay, so now let's use what we know about place value in expanded form. So I'm going to write that 2 is 200s. The 3 tens has a value of 30, and 7 ones has a value of 7. 100 has a value of 100. 2 tens have a value of 20. And 6 ones have a value of 6. Now, I can add up my ones. 7 plus 6 is 13. 30 plus 20 is 50. And 200 plus 100 is 300. So now, let's take our expanded form and put that back into a standard form. So I'm going to put 300, 50, and 13. And now I'm going to add up my ones, add up my tens, and add up my hundreds. So the answer to 237 plus 126 is 363. So I'll plug that into my answer sentence. Okay? Let's try another question. This one says, the clown had 475 red balloons and 286 purple balloons for sale at the fair. How many more red balloons than purple balloons did the clown have for sale? Well, I can tell that we're trying to find the difference between how many red balloons he had and the purple balloons. So I know that's a subtraction problem. So I'm going to do 475 minus 286. And again, we'll come up with our answer sentence. The clown had that should be more, let's change that real quick, more red balloons for sale. Okay? Now let's go back to what we did earlier with our expanded form, but this time we're going to do subtraction. So I'm going to 400, 7 tens has a value of 70, and 5 ones have a value of 5. My 200s have a value of 200. My 8 tens have a value of 80. And my 6 ones have a value of 6. Now remember, this time we're subtracting those values. So when I look at my ones, I have 5. I can't subtract 6, so I need more ones there. So I'm going to break out a 10 over here. Instead of 70, that now becomes 60. And this 5, I'm bringing a 10 over, that becomes 15. Now when I look at my 10s, I have 60. I can't subtract 80 from that. I need more 10s. So I'm going to break 100. So that 400 is now 300. And I'm going to bring that over there. So now when I look at that, boys and girls, is that the same number? Is that still 475? Yes, I've just built it a different way. It still has the same value. Now I can go back and subtract my ones. 15 minus 6 is 9. 160 minus 80 is 80. And 300 minus 200 is 100. Add those together. 100. So I can do the same thing. Add my ones, 9, my tens, 8, and my hundreds have a 1. So the difference between 475 and 286 is 189. So going back to my answer sentence, the clown had 189 more red balloons for sale. Okay. Just let me get tissue real quick, boys. Okay, so for homework, boys and girls, we have 4 problems. Okay? They're either addition or subtraction using expanded form.